Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to restart TikTok without deleting it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the settings gear button. And then you want to select the apps tile and select where it says see all apps. And then go down to the TikTok app and select it and select where it says force stop, select OK. And then at this point, you would relaunch the application and then hopefully TikTok would be restarted, and that's pretty much how you would do it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.